Hey, how you doing today? This is another one of these Littlewonder leaf blowers. It took me, and my problem with this one is that same thing happened as the other one. The bolt rounded itself out of there, came loose, and I'm gonna have to put in a thread repair. This is, this is OEM from AutoZone, but you got tapsert, you got helicoil. It's all basically the same thing. This is a little kit. The only thing this particular one didn't have was a drill bit. Needs a 21/64. I have one in the drill. You just very carefully drill that out to 21/64. Okay. Then you open your package, and it helps if you have one of these. Now again, this one's already done, but I'm just going to show you, walk through it with you. And what you want to do is, when you have your 21/64 hole drilled for the particular thread size that you need. Mine was M8 by 1.25. But anyway, it'll tell you right on the front of the package or your kit what size you'll need. As you can see, it says right there. Okay. Now, what you do is you take your tap and you insert it into your tap holder, and then you just, after you put a little bit of oil in the thread, well, where you're going to cut the threads, you can use either. I'm doing this with one hand holding the camera, so bear with me. I'm going to try to not screw up my job. And then you very slowly turn this in and out. Going like this. And if it gets too hard, just pull it out and blow all your shavings out. Okay? And you just go in, you make sure that you're not going to, it's not anything that takes a lot of muscle or anything to do. You just put it in there, okay, and you go all the way down. I'm just showing you, going through the motions here, because I've already done it. Okay. Then you take your air blower, like so, and you blow across the thread, laying them in oil or laying them out. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take the other part of your tool. You're going to take one of these inserts here, which is right here. Now they make them long or short depending on what you need. And you're going to take the tool, and then you're going to turn it in there. I'll take it out of the package and I'll. Now in the threads, I got this all cleaned out. I like to put a little of this stuff in there, just a touch. Whoa, it's way too much, just like always. But then you take your insert. See, it's got a little tang on there, and that's going to go in first. Okay, you put it on your tool like that, and now you'll just turn it in. Let's switch hands here. You're just going to turn it in nice and slow. Make sure it's going in nice. Got to make sure that you get this in far enough, but not too deep either. If you can get my drift on that. We're going to be putting in a stud, just like the one over there on the right. Now I'm backing that out so I can get it in just a little. That's what it looks like. Can you see that? Now if you look in there, where the hell is it? You can see that little tang. You see this thing here. Now, you put it in there and you can feel where it is. You just turn it about halfway. And you give it a wrap and it should break right off, which mine did. Okay, so now I gotta grab the air again and blow it on out of there. Sorry for all the running around. Now, I didn't see it fly out, but it flew out. It's not in there. So now, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna get our insert, our stud, and we'll just turn it in there. And also I'm going to put a little Loctite on this too. Okay, after I get it in there. And then I'll be installing everything. I have a video on how to take this apart and put it back together again on my channel. I'll try to link it in the description. But thanks for watching. Have a good day.